Hello everyone, today I would like to talk to you about one of the most important and beautiful parts of our planet, the forest. Forests cover approximately 31% of the land area on Earth and provide countless benefits to the environment, wildlife, and humans alike. Forests play a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and producing oxygen through photosynthesis. They also act as natural water filters, helping to maintain the balance of water in our rivers and streams. Forests are also home to a vast array of plant and animal species, providing habitats and food sources for countless creatures. Unfortunately, forests are facing numerous threats, including deforestation, urbanization, and climate change. Deforestation, the clearing of trees for agriculture, urban development, and other uses, is a major concern. It leads to soil erosion, loss of habitat, and a decrease in biodiversity. Climate change is also affecting forests, causing changes in precipitation patterns, increasing the severity and frequency of wildfires, and altering ecosystems. Thankfully, there are many efforts underway to protect and conserve our forests. Governments, organizations, and individuals are working together to reduce deforestation, promote sustainable agriculture and forestry practices, and support reforestation efforts. Additionally, many countries have designated protected areas, such as national parks and wildlife reserves, to help preserve the unique ecosystems and wildlife of their forests. In conclusion, forests are essential for the health of our planet and the well-being of all living things. We must work together to protect and conserve our forests, ensuring that future generations can enjoy their many benefits. Thank you for listening, and remember, every action counts in preserving our forests. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.